In this video, I'm going to show you how to create rainbow doodle effect in CapCut. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add the video to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, use the search bar and type Rainbow Doodle. Once you find it, tap on it to preview how it looks on your video. If you like it, tap the Add button to add it to the track. Once added, drag the edges of the effect layer so it matches your video's duration. With the effect layer selected, go to the toolbar and adjust the following sliders. Size slider, control how big the border appear. Speed slider, control how fast the rainbow stroke animates. Filter, adjust the color tone of the doodle. Texture slider, add texture to the video. Adjust this carefully to match your video's mood. If you don't want the rainbow doodle covering your subject's face or body, here's the trick. Select your original video layer, tap copy, and paste it as an overlay. Drag the duplicate clip above the effect layer. After that, go to the Remove Background option in the toolbar and tap Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically detect and isolate your subject. Once the processing is done, preview the result. Now, the rainbow doodle stays in the background while your subject remains clean and untouched. Once satisfied, tap the export button to save your video. And that's it. You've just created a fun eye-catching rainbow doodle effect in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!